Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue unit number 6 with lesson number 3, which is about the preposition. But before we start, we have to revise what we will take in the previous session with this exercise. Do you remember the phrasal verb that we had before? Let's remember them by practicing this exercise. These phrasal verbs are beat down, blow up, bucket down, clear up, blow over, and dry up. Let's revise or let's match these phrasal verbs with these sentences. Number 1, it's drizzly outside. I hope it is space before we go to the park. Number 2, the lake space during the prolonged drought. Number 3, the midday sun space on the weary marathon runners. Number 4, fortunately the storm space by nightfall. Number 5, luckily when the storm space, the young men were on the shore safe and sound. Okay. Number 6 is the last one. You can't go out now. It's a space and you will get soaked. So as you remember the meaning of these phrasal verbs, you have to know the correct answers. Okay. Number 1, do you think which one is gonna to have? It's gonna to be clears up. Okay, number 2, dried up. Number 3, beat down. Number 4, blow over. Number 5, blow up. Number 6, the last one, is bucketing down. And this is this exercise is for revising what we have in the previous session. And today we are gonna to have the preposition as a new lesson in the vocab. Okay, let's move to the sheet to know what are the words that we are going to study. Then let's use them to practice as a practice in the following exercise. Okay, the prepositions are, as you know, there is the preposition of. We have here against and so on. Okay, unaware of means not realizing or understanding something. Number 2, indifferent. Indifferent to means not thinking about or interested in something or someone. Number 3, advised. Against, to be against something and advise the other not to do it. Okay, to convey the other not to do the action. Okay, the next or the following prepositions is alternative to, plan or method used if you don't want to use another one. The next one, number 5, interfere with, to prevent something from working effectively or from developing successfully. Number 6, we have an instance on, an occasion when you demand something and refuse to accept opposition. Okay, also to put in your mind that we have these kind of collective nouns, such as these collective words or group of words are talking about a kind of animal in groups. So this animal or this group of animal, we called it like the following. The dogs, we called it pack of dogs. What about the sheep? Herd of sheep. Ants, army of ants. And giraffes, tower of giraffes. Bride of lions and parliament of owls. Bed of snakes and drove a cattle. Remember these words and remember these group of words, and let's match these to the exercise. Okay. The following one, which is according to the preposition that we studied from a while. So number 1, the authorities were unaware from up to the chemical dumping in the river. Number 2, far too many people are indifferent from for or to green ashes. Number 3, we were advised about against from traveling to India. in the monsoon season. Number 4, I believe that solar energy is available alternative in 4 fossil fuels. Number 5, I don't think humans should interfere against with Mother Nature. Okay, in instance 4 on 2, papers recycling in the schools has made students more sensitive to the environment. Let's check the answers for this or for these questions. Number 1 takes off, unaware of. Number 2, indifferent to. 3, advised against. Alternative 2. 4, interfere with. Number 5, in instance on. Okay, write it down please quickly. Let's move to the next one. Are you ready? Okay, let's move. I heard you. Okay. Collective nouns as the group of words, the group of animals that I told you about, what we called it in this exercise. Collective nouns such as a pack of dogs or herd of sheep, as we had before, are used to refer to groups of the same animal. The group of the same animal, like lions, owls, cattle, ants, giraffe, and snakes. What is the name of this group? Let's see. Do you remember? I think no. Let's move. An army of ants, a tower of giraffes, a bride of lions, a parliament of owls, a bit of snakes, a drove of cattle. Okay, write it down quickly, please. Now it's time to complete this passage, but this time from a word from your mind. I'm not gonna to give you a word to choose between them. Just remember and try to understand the sentence, then choose or write your answer. So, Death Valley, did you hear about it before? Also, I don't think so. Okay, Death Valley is a space within Death Valley National Park. So, Death Valley is located within Death Valley National Park, the largest national park in the continental United States. The long narrow valley space between high steep mountains. So which word is missing here? Exactly, sits. Okay, number 3, mountain range and is a space of the most hostile and forbidding environment. So number 3 is gonna to be 1. Due space, its unique geology. Due 2, thank you. Number 5, space is in this barren but startlingly beautiful landscape that the Bidwater Ultra Marathon takes place. So, exactly. Number 6, 200-kilometer race through the valley in searing midday July heat. The annual space is the most grueling fought race in the world. Temperatures can soar above. So number 6, the annual what? Exactly, the annual event. Number 7, space short naps whenever they can. Taking space at Bidwater starts. So number 1, located. Number 2, sits. 3, 1. 4, 2. 5, it's. 6, event. 7, taking. And 8, starts. Okay. And this is the end of our session. I hope that you understand. Let's see you next session. But the next one is going to be about the grammar lesson. I hope that you understand. I'm waiting for the next session. If you have any questions, just text me. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye.